Hi, this is Rich Sanders with Southern Health Lawyers, and this is the weekly Health Law News Nugget for Tuesday, April 24th, 2018. Well, Humana is back in the news this week, everybody. This time, according to the Wall Street Journal yesterday, reporting a proposed deal where Humana and a couple of other companies would acquire Curo, a home hospice provider, for $1.4 billion. Now, this deal is not only the formation of a consortium between Humana and these other companies, but it's still conditioned on federal and state regulatory approval. So it's not a foregone conclusion. But if the deal ends up closing, it would make Humana one of the largest hospice providers in the country. And this consortium already has in place a deal with Kindred at Home, which is the home hospice provider for the large skilled nursing facility chain. So if the two come together, then Humana could be the biggest hospice player, or at least majority owner in the biggest hospice player in the United States. It's great news for Humana, but significant for watchers of the weekly Health Law News Nugget, because it's a continuation of the trend of consolidation that we've seen all throughout the first 4 months of 2018. And just as important, in particular for those of y'all who watch the News Nugget on a regular basis, you'll remember that Humana was in the news recently because it was reported in the Wall Street Journal that Humana was in talks with Walmart for Walmart to acquire that health insurance company. Now, you may recall that Walmart was interested in looking at Humana because Walmart has a chain of pharmacies in most of its stores, and it was looking at Humana's insured population, both on the commercial side and the Medicare Advantage side, as a population of folks who would use the pharmacy services at Walmart. Now, if Humana is able to conclude the deal with Curo and become a hospice provider on such a large national scale, and the Walmart-Humana deal goes through, then Walmart could be the largest hospice provider in the United States. Low prices every day. So it's interesting to see what this impact will have on the Humana-Curo deal, on the Walmart-Humana deal. There's been a little in the news about this as folks, I guess, continue behind closed doors to have discussions about this. But be thinking about that and its impact on your community. Lots of different folks watch the News Nugget every week, from pharmaceutical company representatives to physicians and hospital administrators. Think about your Walmart in your area. Think about Humana is a factor in your area, and then think about it in terms of hospice services. And it really could open a lot of doors, maybe some opportunities, maybe some challenges. That's the news you can use here on the News Nugget for this week. Look forward to seeing y'all again next week. I'm Rich Sanders with Southern Health Lawyers. Have a great day.